Welcome to my channel. How to extend Wi-Fi coverage without buying a new router. Step 1. Place the router in the right spot. Move your router to a central, open location in your home. Keep it away from walls, metal objects, and large furniture so the Wi-Fi signal can spread more evenly. Step 2. Raise the router higher. Place the router on a shelf or table instead of the floor. A higher position helps the signal reach more areas of your home. Step 3. Adjust the router antennas. If your router has external antennas, position one vertically and another horizontally. This can improve signal coverage for different devices. Step 4. Keep the router away from interference. Move the router away from microwaves, cordless phones, baby monitors, and Bluetooth devices, as these can weaken the Wi-Fi signal. Step 5. Switch to the best Wi-Fi band. Use the 5 GHz band for faster speeds when you're close to the router and 2.4 GHz for better coverage over longer distances. Step 6. Restart your router regularly. Restart the router every few weeks to refresh the connection and fix small performance issues that may reduce Wi-Fi coverage. Step 7. Update the router firmware. Check for firmware updates through your router settings. Installing the latest update can improve performance, stability, and wireless range. Step 8. Reduce connected devices. Disconnect devices that are not in use. Too many active connections can slow down your network and reduce Wi-Fi performance. Step 9. Change the Wi-Fi channel. If nearby Wi-Fi networks are causing interference, switch to a less crowded Wi-Fi channel in your router settings for a stronger and more stable signal. Step 10. Use an old router as a Wi-Fi extender. If you have an old router at home, configure it as an access point or Wi-Fi extender to increase coverage without buying new equipment. Thanks for watching.